Hello Parallax traders, this is Imri and welcome to another weekend update on Bitcoin. As I'm recording this, it is Sunday evening, just after 7 p.m. Eastern time to be specific. So I'm going to cover what I went over in my last Bitcoin video update and discuss the significance of the rally that's been sparked from these levels that I've been calling for a rally from, and why I still don't necessarily think that Bitcoin is entirely out of the woods just yet. So in my last video update, I was calling for a rally from somewhere within this box, and we got that rally, and it's fantastic because that rally is in 5 waves. You know, we got a 5-wave rally, and in Elliott Wave terms, a 5-wave movement in any direction gives us a clue as to what the larger underlying trend is at that time. So what I expect now that this 5-wave rally is over is a decline in 3 waves. And I would really ideally like for that decline to break below $20,000 once again. And I think that's going to lead to some bearish headlines for cryptocurrency as a whole in the financial media, perhaps even the mainstream press over the next several days, if not week or two. However, after that 3-wave correction is finished, I expect yet another rally in 5 waves. Once that 5-wave rally is complete, we will be at an absolutely pivotal juncture in the market. And the reason for that is because there is a corrective pattern known as a zigzag. And a zigzag is a 5-3-5 pattern. It's labeled using letters A, B, and C. So this is what a zigzag looks like. Now the reason it's called a 5-3-5 pattern is because wave A of a zigzag will unfold in 5 waves. Wave B of a zigzag will unfold in 3 waves, and wave C of the zigzag will unfold in 5 waves. Now the reason that's important to our discussion in Bitcoin is because, well, we have a 5-wave rally. I expect a 3-wave decline, followed by another 5-wave rally. If the market absolutely falls apart after that, then this entire rally sequence was simply a bear market rally. So a rally within a much larger bear market. So the reason when I say, 5 waves in any direction gives us the larger underlying trend, what I mean by that is we got 5 waves up, which means we're going to get a 3-wave decline followed by at least 1 more 5 waves to the upside. So from a short-term perspective, you would say that the trend is arguably bullish. But in the context of this much larger bear market decline, the jury is still out. So what I would like to see after this expected 3-wave decline and the ensuing 5-wave rally is not a 5-wave decline, but rather a pullback in 3 waves, and then a final rally in 5 waves. That entire sequence would be confirmation for me that the bear market has in fact bottomed and we are headed to new all-time highs in Bitcoin. So you can see here, we have wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down, wave 5 up. And we can combine these 5 waves and slap a big wave 1 label on top of them, just like this. If we get this, then we can expect a steep 3-wave correction to ensue. Second waves tend to be quite steep. That's the buying opportunity, all right? Don't be in a rush to buy at any point in this rally, all right? I mean, you can if you're a short-term trader, but I'm not in any rush personally to really start accumulating in a big way at this point in time. I'm letting this market prove itself to me. That is absolutely essential. I'm going to trade Bitcoin around, sure, not Bitcoin directly. I'll probably trade the BITO ETF. We now have the BITI ETF to short Bitcoin as well. So I'll probably make use of options contracts on those ETFs to trade cryptocurrency around. But as far as accumulating for the long haul, I think it's more prudent to wait for evidence that this bear market has in fact bottomed. I, as a rule, do not like to try and catch falling knives. So in my opinion, the real opportunity will be somewhere around here. Okay, once this larger degree wave 5 can complete and we get the corresponding larger wave 2, that's when I'll be very excited by the bullish opportunities that Bitcoin is going to present. So in the short term, the market's not out of the woods. Like I said, I'm still expecting a 3-wave correction to complete now that we have 5 waves up. It's looking like the pattern that's unfolding here is of a flat. a flat is a 3-3-5 pattern. So wave A, unlike a zigzag, unfolds in 3 waves. Wave B unfolds in 3 waves, just like it would in a zigzag. And then wave C will unfold in 5 waves as a standard impulse or an ending diagonal. Now remember, wave 2s tend to be quite steep in terms of their retracements. So the most common relationship for wave 2 is for it to retrace 61.8% of wave 1, which would give us a retracement target of around 19,150 in Bitcoin. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this area here, seeing if we can test 19,000 or 1950, somewhere in that region, in order to spark at least one more rally higher in 5 waves. What happens after that, we'll have to wait and see. All right, I know everyone's anxious for this bear market to be over, and what I can tell you is that this bear market will end. Bitcoin will go on to new highs, new all-time highs, but the question is from what levels, all right? And I don't think the market's answered that question just quite yet. So we have to be patient. We have to let the price action do its thing and unfold. But I am getting, dare I say, a little bit more optimistic that this bear market is getting closer to being finished. The worst case scenario for Bitcoin is that we get a 3-wave rally and then we get one more fresh new low. If we do get one more fresh new low, that will take us below 17,000. It'll likely take us to somewhere between 16 and 14,000. I can narrow those targets as that decline starts to unfold, but I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves. Let's take it one wave at a time. So right now I'm looking for this decline in 5 waves to complete wave C, and then look to trade for a 5-wave rally higher. And then once that 5-wave rally is finished, I think it's time to be patient and let the market reveal its hand. Don't be in a rush. I hope this video update was helpful, and as always, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, guys. See you next time.